Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll walk you through how to download and install the BricksMade plugin for the ATF Advanced Themer Framework and how to import designs. Let's jump into the WordPress dashboard. Before we get started, there's one small setting we need to enable in the Bricks settings. Go to the Builder tab, scroll down, and enable Import Pasted Images/SVGs, then click Save Settings. This will allow you to import BricksMade designs with images. Now, let's install the ATF Advanced Themer plugin. Click Add New Plugin, then Upload Plugin. Choose your ATF plugin zip file and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin. Now, enter your license key, then click Activate License. To install the ATF settings, go to AT Theme Settings and click Save Settings button. Now, let's install the BricksMade plugin. Head over to the BricksMade dashboard. Click the Download Framework button and copy your license key. Now, jump back to your WordPress dashboard. Click Upload Plugin. Choose the BricksMade zip file you just downloaded. Then click Install Now and Activate. After activation, go to BricksMade and select Advanced Themer as your design system. Here, paste your license key and click Activate License. The plugin is now installed and activated successfully. Here you can see the different template options available, and by default, the layers design set is active. Now the wait is over. Let's head over to Pages and click Edit with Bricks. Now, to copy designs, head over to the BricksMade dashboard. Let's start with blocks, so click Blocks. As of now, we have 500 plus blocks and 72 templates, and we're adding new blocks and templates every week. So by the time you're watching this video, you'll likely have even more available. First, let's filter the ATF-only blocks, so we don't accidentally copy designs from the wrong framework. Let's use the Footer 26 block. Here you'll see two copy options, Copy and BAM. First, let's click Copy. Paste the block into the Import option in the Bricks Builder, inside the Structure panel. Ta-da! The block is imported successfully and looks perfect on both tablet and mobile devices. Let's take a look at the text element styles. In ATF designs, all styling is applied at the ID level. For example, the ATF color and font size variables are assigned directly to the element ID. Now, let's compare this with a BIM ATF design. We'll use the exact same block, but with BIM ATF styling. Just click the BIM button to copy it. Now, if we look at the same text element, you'll notice that in BAM designs, all styling is applied at the class level. A class named BMC-footer-26 text has been added. In the BAM methodology, styling is always applied using CSS classes. BAM stands for Block Element Modifier. Like this, every element's styling is applied through CSS classes. Now, let's import a template page. Let's jump into the BricksMade plugin admin page. These are all the available templates. To find one quickly, let's use the search feature. For this example, we'll search for Converti. You can preview the template by clicking Preview. For now, let's go ahead and click Install. Here are the changes that will be applied after importing this design set. You can uncheck any items if needed, then click Import Selected. Now, to copy the template design, head over to the BricksMade dashboard. Click Templates, then let's open the same template, Converti. On the Converti template page, click the ATF Filter tab. Here, you'll find all the pages and templates used in the Converti template. Let's copy the About page and paste it into the Builder. And boom, the page has been imported successfully. Let's check it out on the front end. The page looks perfect, with all scroll animations working as expected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.